Afton, is this guy going to make it like past?
I'm going to say that.
Are you going to make us proud from Flesherton? Hey? Up there, Highway 10 and Highway 4? Yeah?
Get the kids to the picture, Jendo.
What's that? What?
Get to the picture.
Shut up,
We don't get oh, we got nothing to pull him out.
Oh, these guys are Gray County boggers? I've heard of these guys before. They say that you don't mess with a Gray County bogger because up there, that's all they got is bogs. He's like up in Floating, Proton, and all them places up there. All right.
What happens when the tractor's stuck? You're stuck?
The tractor can't be stuck. No way. No way.
I don't mean to get in your way. Sorry.
Okay. The tractor is stuck? Tractor's stuck. I'm going home. I'll be back. I'll be back.
We need a dog!
Where's Carl Blund when you need him anyway? Well, the tractor got stuck. The phone got stuck. The dog got stuck. I can't say. Oh, quiet. I can't say that. Okay. Well. No, he'll get out of there.
Oh yeah, that's what the wheel said when they were standing in the mud. Yeah. Fuck's sake, somebody call Premier John Deere. Get a bigger tractor here, pull that one out.
We need another one.
We need another one.
Go get us another. Well, I think he needs all four, all eight, all. Yeah. There you go, wiggle. Yeah. You know why he got stuck? I'll tell you why this guy got. These guys are from the service department. Never, and I mean never, ever let somebody from the service department drive the tractor off the pavement. Never.
Hey, that's you.
Never. What were we thinking? Service department. Never. Never, ever. All right. Well, we learned. It's a learning process there, folks, you know. Next year, when they get in the tractor, we're going to say service department. And when they say, yup, we're going to say, get out. Get out. You ain't coming in our tractor. Oh. Diff lock. And the guy from the service department saying, what's he calling us? Hey, diff lock.
I think he's calling you dick fucker.
Hey, diff lock. Guy from the service department, he's not thinking nice things about us. Hey! Diff lock!
There you got it.
There we go. Wiggle it just a little bit, get it out. Premier Farm Equipment wins. I tell you what, they're the winners. Go green. Go green. We had 2 red. This year we got 1 green. That's all we need. That's all we need. That's all we need. Guys, and I'm not saying anything bad about the service department, guys, because right now they're